Found you where the river breaks the storm, a silver prayer that hums beneath the sky. The air was wild, but somehow we were known. Two crying hearts where thunder learned to fly. Your face lit up in rivers of spray, like every fallen drop that found its song. I stood in awe and words slipped far away. The world grew soft where we belong.
Oh, waterfall, you taught my heart to rise. With every beam of light you pulled me near, and in your shining arms I see your eyes, a love as deep as echoes in the clear. Oh, waterfall, keep singing through the night. Let all your echoes call our names again.
We are the hush between the rush of light. We are the calm inside the endless rain. The marble mist was drifting from your hair, like moving lace lay gently on the wind. I heard a choir hidden in the air, a thousand voices lifting us within. Your handyman felt older than a stone, as if the mountain knew the shape of us. No need to chase what can't be overthrown. We are the falling
And the fade and the hush. Oh, waterfall,
you taught my heart to rise. With every beam of light you pulled me near, and in your shining arms I see your eyes, a love as deep as echoes in the clear. Oh, waterfall, keep singing through the night. Let all your echo call our names again.
we are the hush between the rush of light.
We are the calm inside the endless rain. If time should turn to mist and disappear, I'll meet you where the water meets the stone. With every cresting note, I'll draw you near, and never let this sacred feeling go. Let the breast roll wide, let the voices of blue, let the whole world lean into our refrain. Waterfall, you taught my heart to rise. With every beam of light you pull me near, and in your shining arms I see your eyes, a love as deep as echoes in the clear. Oh, waterfall, keep singing through the night. Let all your echoes call our names again. We are the hush between the rush of night. We are the calm